Yo, what is up, everybody? S Crypto 101 coming at you guys with another video today, and I'm going to give you guys a update on Avalant. Yes, I'm still here digging. Yes, I'm still here playing, and we have a big update for you guys today. So make sure you stay tuned because there's also going to be a giveaway later in the video that you guys are not going to want to miss, and I'm just going to give you some great updates on in terms of what is going on with the game currently. So if you are watching this video right now, make sure that you stop what you're doing right now. Make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, so that I know that you guys are supporting these videos and I can make sure that you guys get the updates as soon as they come out. So yes, we're over here on Avalant, still doing our thing on the Avalanche blockchain. If you have not checked this game out, definitely make sure you watch the first video to kind of give you a breakdown of exactly how this game works, and that is going to be your best bet. So we had some big updates in the past few weeks. Today was the biggest update because we finally got items. Now the items are going to be a big deal. I'm going to go over exactly what all of those do for you and how they increase the efficiency of your ants, but I'm just going to do a few other minor updates first. So as you can see here, we now have the LP farm. What this is you're able to actually pair your Ant G with AVAX to stake here, and it has a ×6 multiplier for sugar. So I put all of my sugar here so that I'm able to get that huge multiplier and make sure I have enough sugar so that all my ants are able to dig at the same time. So that is really good, and that's also been able to help stabilize the price a little bit, because we were seeing a decline in the price because there was no reason really to hold Ant G. And now we have these different things in place like items and the taxes on some of the sales and buys that have allowed us to be able to create a more stable price, which is super important when it comes to these games, because you want to be able to establish a good ROI and understand, how many days it's going to take you to ROI and things like that. So super important that they implemented that. So glad that that is here. So definitely take advantage of that. This multiplier is going to be going down, I believe, to ×5 in a couple days. So definitely try to hop in here while you can. And also, last but not least, we finally have items, like I said. So we got items today, and I'm super stoked about these. As you can see, we have the workers calculator, if that's how you say it, calculator. And then you have the diamond mandibles, the mecha digger armor, and then the scout digger helmet. So I'm going to get into what these exactly do for you. So these are pretty much huge buffs for your ants that if you equip them, you're going to be able to get these huge bonuses for these items. So with the calculator, you're going to be able to get a 40% bonus in the amount of Ant G that your ant makes. That is big. If you are a diamond, or if you have diamond mandibles and you're one of the boss slayers, you like to hit the bosses for the huge damages, this is going to be your best bet, because you really could almost build like a boss attacking ant. If you get like a legendary or unique, you also get those multipliers because of the rarity. So if you pair that with the diamond mandibles, that is going to be huge when it comes to the boss battles, and you're going to have a better chance at winning some of those lottery rewards. So definitely take advantage of that. That is just one strategy that you can have. Then you have the mecha digger armor. These are pretty much the top two that I'm excited about, because my biggest thing is, digging as deep as possible and digging as fast as possible. So the mecha digger armor allows you to spend 30% less sugar to dig, which is really good. And then the scout digger helmet is decreasing your dig cooldown time by 80%. So these are awesome items if you're more so looking for, the ability to dig faster and deeper, as fast as possible and as hard as possible, right? And then the worker calculator, that's just, if you're more so focused on your ROI possibly, or, you just want to get more and more Ant G to possibly stake, to possibly put in an LP pair, that is going to be a great one for you as well. So what I really like is this created a different dynamic in terms of being able to have some different play styles. So that is really cool. So just a pro tip here, make sure that you guys are finding the peak, or not the peak times, but the lowest volume times when it comes to, equipping these items, especially if you have a lot of ants. In my case, if I try to dig all, or if I try to equip all these items at peak time on the Avalanche blockchain, the gas fees are going to be ridiculous. So just make sure that you find a good time, usually at nighttime, For me, I'm on Eastern time, so it's usually around 10, 11 o'clock at night. That's the best time for me in terms of gas. So definitely just a pro tip there. Make sure that you evaluate when the best time is, because you could end up spending a lot of gas, especially if you have a lot of ants. So super excited about these updates today. I am going to be doing a item giveaway, so just make sure that you listen to these details so that you can be eligible. First, you have to leave a comment on this video letting me know what your favorite item is and why. Two, follow me on Twitter at scrypto101. And then three, DM me your Discord name from the Avalant Discord, and that will make you eligible for the giveaway. In 1 week, I am going to draw one person, and then whoever that random person is that fulfilled all the requirements for the giveaway is going to get one free item. So definitely a great opportunity for you guys to do that, because currently items are 3,000 ant G, but that is going to go up as time goes forward. So definitely take advantage of this. This is going to be a free item for somebody, and you never know which one it could be. So we're over here doing our things. You can see that all my ants are on 24. I can't wait until my dig cooldown is done so I can dig them all at the same time. And we're just going to be here making this money. I know that we have a boss on stage 26. So what I have done is, getting all the ants on the same pace so that we can get there and attack the boss all at the same time. So make sure you guys are, developing your strategies for this game. There's a lot of ways that you can do it, and the items are going to be something that's going to allow you to really tailor your gameplay to the style that you want. Now, that is my update today on Avalant. There's going to be a lot more good things coming in the future, so definitely stay tuned. And the best way to stay tuned is making sure that you guys are staying active on the channel. All you have to do is comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you know as soon as I release these videos. Also, check me out on Twitter and Instagram at scrypto101, where there'll be a lot of great content that's not always about Avalant, and there's some other great projects that we are looking at. So I'm going to do my thing. I can't wait to equip my items. Let me know what your favorite item is, and we're going to keep doing our thing over here on Avalant and keep digging.